Welcome to Abhi's channel. Today we are going to see about a new feature called basket orders, which was introduced by Zerodha on yesterday. So before going into the video, I'll just explain you what is basket orders. So basket orders will be nothing but if you want to execute two or more orders at the same time to eliminate the fluctuating in the prices, then this basket orders are being created. So now how the Zerodha customers are creating this bracket orders is a tool called Sentinel is being used. Now you have to create this, you have to open the Sentinel application. Then if you have a Zerodha account, then automatically you will be able to sign in freely. So you have to create a baskets here. Then you have to add all the whatever multiple contracts if you want to execute at the same time. You have to add those contracts here. Then you have to add it in the advanced triggers. From here you have to execute it manually with the help of this trigger. So this is bit tedious process. So now Zerodha have added a feature called a basket orders in Zerodha web application. I think their mobile application will have this feature very soon. But with the help of basket orders, you will be able to execute multiple orders now at the same time. Second, whom will this be useful? So people who know the basket orders can ignore these points, but the people who are new to this basket orders, see, for example, if you want to create multiple orders, because if you want to create some bull call spread at the starting price of 11,500, it means that you want to execute one, you want to buy 11,500 and you want to sell the 11,550. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to manually first you have to buy this 11,500. Then after it got executed, maybe 3 to 4 or 5 seconds after, you have to execute this 11,550. So how will this basket order will help at these places? For example, if you are executing 11,500 at 35.80, that time maybe this 11,550 will be at 1755 or 1730 or something like that. But after you execute this order, maybe it will take 5 to 6 seconds for you to come back and execute this second order. So in this case, what will happen is you may lose 50 paisa, 30 paisa, 60 paisa, something like that. So it is okay for people who trade with less quantity, but people who trade with a large quantity are creating more than 4, 5, 6 positions in those cases. This bracket orders will be very useful because all this first order, second order, whatever how many number of orders, all these orders will get executed at the same time. For example, in the current case, it will be you are buying 11,500 call and you are selling 11,550 call. So what will happen is if you create it in Zerodha basket orders, then this both orders will get executed within a single second or below 1 or 2 seconds in that gap. Actually, mostly it will execute at the same time, but the execution time will take some time based on the margins and all. So I will give you one tips as well in how to avoid this margin issues and all when you do it with the basket orders. So we'll go to the basket orders creation now. So what you have to do is you have to add what are all the strike prices you want to use to create this basket orders. First you click this create basket. Then it will ask for a name. For example, you can say you are creating a bull call spread, bull and a bear call spread. Maybe you can put bull and a bear call spread. The starting strike price will be 11,500. Maybe you can create it some name, whichever is convenient for you. So now we have created the name for this basket order. Now you have to add the instruments one by one. If you take our current case, I will add both. This is bull call spread. Now I will tell you how to add bear call spread, which will be nothing but buying 11,500 put, selling 11,450 put. So first we will add 11,500 call. So it will be 11,500 call. So let us take, you are going to add 75 quantities, will be nothing but one lot. So you are buying it. Ensure you select this one properly, otherwise this will it will come as a error trade and you may have to face some losses. So please ensure that you added a correct buy or sell option selected here and normal or intraday position or market or limit order, stop loss or whatever, please be ensured that you check all this information before giving the add button. Okay, so it will be 11,500. So at the same time you add. Now second position we have to create is you have to sell 11,550 call. So 11,550 call, you are not going to buy it, you are going to sell it at the same position. So you can give add. Now we are going to add the, this is bear call spread has been created now in the basket order. So now you have to add this in the bull call spread is added. Now you have to add the bear call spread. You have to add 11,500 put. The same quantity, maybe we can say it's a buy order. At the same time add 11,450 put. It will be a sell order. So now you just re-ensure that the positions that you created are correct. 11,500 call, you bought 75 quantities, you sold 11,550 75 quantity. The same time you added put call in the same way. 11,500 call, put you have added, 11,450 put you have sold. So now if you click the execute button, this order will get executed automatically. So I am, for example, whenever we create the strategies, you can create it on any point of time in the now in this basket orders. If you click the close button, this whatever you have created, the positions will be saved here. It's not mandatory for you have to create it at the time of execution. You can create it before itself, so that when you are trading you will be able to execute it immediately, instead of creating the positions, adding it into the basket and then creating that position at the same time. Instead of that, you create this whatever bracket positions before you start the trading session, so that it will be easy for you to execute at any point of time. You can add multiple number of bracket orders here. So if you click that bracket order, then it will show what is the positions that you created. If you click the execute button, then it will automatically get executed. It will also show you what is the margin required for you to create this order. So for example, since we sold some positions, so it's a sell order, that's why the margin it's been shown with a bit extra more than the premium that we are buying. So use this basket orders at when you want to create any spreads or bull call spread or bear call spread, something you want to create in that way, then you can use this basket orders for the better execution. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, and there is a bell icon in the right hand side. You can click that bell icon so that whenever we post any new videos, you will get the notification of the new videos. We have also created a new channel for fun. It's called Sin Boys. So please subscribe to that channel as well, and then need your support always. Thank you.